Several hours later, I took a break, had to run to town and get a battery, and Lee's still after it. How's it going, love? 2 thumbs up? Way up?
Well, they're somewhere down here now.
We're picking up some bales of hay.
Picking up bales.
Picking up bales.
Picking up the bales. I picked up several bales today.
Is this the funnest part, Dad?
No, this is the least fun part.
Now we gotta climb them.
And here comes the rain.
I can feel like all the sprinkles.
We're gonna get these last 2 and then we're gonna call it a night.